trying to upgrade this system. This is what we already have here on ground. So we are trying to upgrade the system. We are preparing the ground for installation of a new charge controller. The old charge controller is 30 amps, so it will not be able to accommodate the new panels. We bought 4 new panels, which is not sufficient but due to costs, but we just bought 4. And the charge controller we are replacing it with is a bigger one, which does not need upgrade anytime soon, which is a 100 amp holistic charge controller. So for the panels, we'll be connecting 2 in series and then in parallel, and each panel has a current of over 15 amps. It's a 620 watts panel, and if you connect 2 in series, it will still give you 15 amp plus. Then the 4 in parallel, the 2 in series, and then some of the 2 in series will connect in parallel, which is 2 in series, and then in parallel we'll have about 30 amps. So that 30 amps is 30 amps plus is way beyond the capacity of the old charge controller, but it falls within what this one can handle. So these are the panels. So we've already installed 2, and we are trying to connect both of them in series. We'll be installing the other 2 in no distant time. We already installed 2, so we are making the connection for the 2 in series, which you still, when you connect current in series remains the same, but in parallel current increases. So these are the 2 connected already. So we are running the termination for it. So we are connecting the cables, and mind you, when connecting solar panels like this, you have to test. Once you connect them in series, you have to test for the outputs. It is very, very, very important, because sometimes you may think that the MC4 connectors are conducting, meanwhile they are not. So you must test for the outputs. Use your multimeter to test, and polarity is also very, very important. Polarity is also very, very important. If you make mistake in polarity, your results will not be as planned. In fact, it will give you something else, because sometimes what they do is that the voltage and the current, the voltage from each other will cancel out each other if you make mistake in the polarity, and your readings will be irregular and not as expected. So polarity is very, very important when connecting in series and then in parallel. Very, very important. Polarity is very, very important. So This is the panel work that we are doing. So when we finish with the panel, we've already done the installation, the inside connection, we've already done it. We've done the charge controller connection. We've also done the electrical connection. We've done the electrical separation for the place. So we're using this solar to power a restaurant. It's a restaurant, so we're using it to power the restaurant. So it's way better than the panels that were there before. What we had there before was about 6 150 watts polycrystalline panels. So we are done with the connection. We are covering the trunk because we've run the cables. We are covering the trunk. Okay. So we've done it. Done the connection. Like you can see, initially we have 2 boxes there, breaker boxes. One is very small and the other is smaller than this, but we've installed everything in one breaker box. So we're covering it to make it look better and nice. Covering it. While I try to cover it, you can see that accidentally we are tripping the switch. Okay, probably covered now. This is way better than the other systems, and the more reason why we installed this is that we also installed CCTV camera there. The CCTV camera will be able to monitor the vehicles that parked outside the restaurants. We have about a 6-point camera installed in that restaurant. I will show you the video of how we connected the CCTV camera. So the essence of this is that they want it to power the CCTV without going off. Alright, we are done with this, and I've also done the configuration. You don't just install a charge controller, you configure the charge controller based on the kind of battery you have. This is the inverter. The inverter is a luminous 2.5 kVA inverter. We are using this system to power the restaurant entirely and the CCTV system to make sure that the place is secure. Okay, thanks for watching. Please, if you have any question, please DM us or write to us on our comment section and we'll reply. Please like and subscribe to this video. Thank you very much, we appreciate. This is CCTV camera that we installed. You can see the way it is. The DVR is suspended. Okay, this is the inside. You can see the CCTV camera. So the essence of the solar is to keep these systems running, and also the refrigerator and other things. You can see how we hung the DVR. Okay, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. We appreciate.